wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Morning, I'm fine. And you? Fine too, thank you. Before we start the lesson, we pray together. We pray together. Finish. Okay, before we start the lesson, I want to attendance list all of you. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I want to call one. Burhanuddin.
Present.
Okay. Java. Okay. Dimas.
Present.
Okay. Natasha. Present. Okay. Naya. Present. Okay. We start the lesson. Anyone know about simple past tense for material today? Anyone know?
No, Miss.
No. Okay. Do you know about simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to talk about an activity or situation that began and ended at a particular time in the past. In Indonesian, simple past tense itu digunakan untuk berbicara atau kegiatan situasi yang dimulai dan berakhir pada waktu tertentu di masa lampau atau di masa lalu. Sampai sini mengerti, guys? Okay. Next. Okay, talking about completed action. Jadi simple past tense itu bisa digunakan tentang situasi atau tindakan yang spesifik waktunya, yang terjadi yang sudah di masa lampau. Look at the example. Example, I visited to the zoo yesterday. I visited the zoo yesterday and then they went to the cinema last weekend. Then she finished the homework an hour ago. It is the example about activity or action or even in the simple past tense atau yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. Okay. Next is describing past habit or routine. Jadi simple past itu juga berbicara tentang habit atau tentang rutinitas kita sehari-hari. Misalkan it can be used to describe action that we were habitual or routine in the past. Ya, jadi yang tadi saya jelaskan tentang simple past tense itu menjelaskan tentang habit atau kebiasaan kita yang sudah di masa lalu, betul. Okay, look at the example. Example, she always played with her doll as a child. Jadi contoh tersebut adalah contoh yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Betul. And the next example is he used to go to the cinema every weekend. Jadi itu adalah contoh tentang kejadian yang berulang-ulang seperti atau yang di masa lampau seperti every weekend. Okay? Okay. Sampai di sini mengerti, guys? Okay. The next example is my dad over when finishing when he was younger. Jadi contoh tersebut adalah tentang dia menjelaskan ketika dia masih muda. Jadi itu adalah masa lalu. Lalu ada contoh berikutnya. I usually read comics when I was a kid. Itu masa lalu atau masa sekarang? Lalu, betul. Ada yang bisa mengartikan, guys? I usually read comics when I was a kid. Ada yang bisa mengartikan? Anybody? Arti? Ya, jadi artinya saya biasanya membaca buku saat saya kecil. Jadi dia menjelaskan tentang saat dia masih kecil. Itu mendeskripsikan tentang masa lalu. Okay, the next is how to form past simple. Okay, the next is positive form. Start with the subject and the past form of the verb. Pay attention to the regular and irregular verb. Before with the positive form formula, anyone know about this irregular and regular verb? Nothing? No. Okay. Regular is kata kerja beraturan, sedangkan irregular adalah kata tidak beraturan. Look at the example. I dance at the party. Itu adalah regular ya, karena verbnya dance. Okay, look this. One. Verb one. Verb two. Verb three. Verb one from dancer is verb one, dance. Verb two, dancer. Verb three, dancer. And the formula for positive form is verb 2. Look at this. Verb 2. So, this example, I dance at the party. Because the formula subject plus verb 2 plus complement. So, look, this dance is a verb. Verb 2. Okay, and the next example. We went to the zoo last weekend. It's irregular. Irregular is kata tidak.
Peraturan.
Kata tidak.
Peraturan.
Okay, this verb one from when? Anybody know what is verb one from when? Nothing? Okay.
One.
Verb one plus from when is go.
One.
And verb two is when. And verb three go. So we use the example is when because verb two from go is when. Okay? You understand, guys? Okay. So the example is we went to the zoo last weekend. Look at the formula. Subject plus verb two plus complement. So we when is verb two. Okay. Okay, the next is negative form. Negative form is used did not or didn't before the base form of the verb to form negative sentences. Look at the formula. Subject plus did not plus verb 1. Different from positive. Alright? The negative is use verb 1, not verb 2. Okay? Okay. Look at the example. He didn't play soccer last week. He is subject, didn't, plus play verb 1, soccer. And the last week or yesterday and last night, anybody know what it is? Anyone remember? Remember what the like last week, last night, yesterday? Anybody know? What is it? Ada yang tahu? Ada yang tahu, guys?
Keterangan waktu.
Ada, okay. Last week, yesterday, and it's like time signal. Time signal. Remember? Time signal. Okay. The next example. They didn't eat pizza for dinner yesterday. And the next, he didn't study for his exam last night. So, yeah, usually he, the subject, plus didn't, plus study for his exam. Last night is time. Now, okay, next. That is question form. Begin with did, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb. Look at this formula. Did plus subject plus verb 1. An example. Did they watch the movie? And the next, did he visit the museum last weekend? And then, did he do his homework yesterday? Let's use the formula. Did plus subject. Subject what? What is the subject? Well, anyone know? Subjectnya?
He.
Right. And then, the verb one?
Visit.
Anyone know?
Visit.
The one yang mana?
Visit.
Huh?
Visit.
Do. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then use yesterday is like time signal. Okay. Next is
Check.
and then now we are examples of simple past tense in sentences. I watched movie last night. It is question, positive or negative?
Positive.
Yeah, correct. Give a plus. Then he wrote an interesting story. Is positive, negative or question? Yes, correct. And then, did he live in this house? What is that? Positive, question or negative?
Question.
Yeah, great, thank you. And then, did they win the competition? It's question. I didn't go to New York.
Negative.
And then, did I go to New York?
Question.
Great. Okay, now I want to. Oh, no. I want to you by one by one. All of you write in the whiteboard. Make all your sentences use simple past tense. Okay, start with you. What's your name? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I finished my work early in this morning. Okay, you know what is this? The sentences? Positive, negative?
Question. Positive.
Positive form. Okay, thank you. And the next, you? Okay. They went to the beach on the weekend. You know what is this? The sentences? Form positive or negative? Positive. Okay. Thank you, Raya. The next, please. Okay. He played football with his friends yesterday. Okay, this what positive. Okay, thank you. This. Bandung 2 years ago. Is the negative positive? Positive. Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Next, please.
Oh.
Okay. Can you read for our all of us? No. I want to read this your sentences.
Baca.
Please learn English last night.
Okay. Positive, right?
Positive.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, I think it's enough for today, but I want to remind you. Anyone know what is simple past tense? Anyone remember for this material today? Yeah. In Indonesian is alright. Indonesian? Enggak. Okay, you? No? No? Enggak? Oh, nothing. Ah.
Itu tuh. Itu di atas.
Oke, the simple past tense itu mendeskripsikan tentang masa lalu atau lampau. Jadi kalau misalkan kita menggunakan simple past tense itu pada saat kita membicarakan tentang kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Oke, sampai saat ini ya maksudnya sejauh ini sudah mengerti tentang simple past tense? Oke, thank you. I think it's enough for today. Saya harap kalian bisa membuat kalimat sendiri ya di rumah. Saya agar kumpulkan minggu depan itu tugas kalian membuat sentences tentang simple past tense. Oke?